All right, you guys, so this is how I want your notes notebook ran. You should all have picked one up. If you didn't, then you'll just have to work with like individual pages, or you can get one of your own. It doesn't really matter as long as you get the notes in there. You can use your notes for your tests, so it's important that you have them in there. On Canvas, I have a screenshot of the notes, so it's like you don't have to listen to me talk while I'm writing the notes. But after you write the notes in your notes notebook, there is a short video that goes along with the notes that explains what they mean, and you do need to watch that as well. So don't just write the notes not understanding what it is that they're talking about. You're welcome to put your name on the front, that's totally fine. On that first page, I would put your Delta Math login and your MathSpace login somewhere. You're welcome to make it however you want. I would only write on one side. So you write on this side, and then you turn it, and then you write on this side, and then you turn it. My notes are on single papers because if I make a mistake, I don't want to have to rip it out of my notes notebook, but yours will all just go in. So this is kind of how it'll look. So the first one, and you can put chapter 1, it is going to be divisibility rules first, and then turn the page, and then we're going to talk about, I actually have this first. So this is our rounding, and then we have place value at the bottom of it. You'll see it on the stills, but it is in Canvas. You do have to go to Canvas. So each day we have a couple of notes that we're writing. Even when we get back into class, we have notes. So it gets you kind of comfortable with that. Now, that is how we do our notes, our practice problems. If you flip the book over and you work at it backwards, this is where our practice problems are going to take place. And so that's why I only want you writing on one side. So then same thing here, we'll write more practice problems and more practice problems, leaving this side of the book for notes, So I don't know how far we're going to get into this book. I've never done it with a composition notebook before, but we'll just do our best and we'll make sure we get everything that we need to in there. But make sure the notes get put in there before you watch the video on explaining them, and then you can do your Delta Math assignment. Thanks, you guys.